So now you guys look at this simple code. So today we are going to learn about functions. And before I start to make you learn about functions, please press the subscribe button and like it and share, please. So the first one to subscribe gets $200. Yep, that's not a funny joke, really. And the 1 to 1000, everyone would get from $10 to $1 or $0.5. Yep. So this code, what does that do? So run that, it's starting X, and then we need to wait for the turtle to come up. So look, this ripple, yep, and that's a circle. And if you want to look about lists or complex shapes or anything, please comment in the chat below and I will have you learn about that. So this is the most simple way of using a function. So let's do this. So diff turtle. What if we diff tut and then do this and do this? Yep. Have some here and yep. Press that button and then we got to have, like, this is not okay, but you need to tab and that is okay, like just like that, to indent. So we do this and then we do color equals red, cyan, and blue. So you know this wouldn't work because you don't have these yet. You need to have these. So look, if you do this, it works. So red, cyan, and blue. And then using this, you can do a very complex shape, just like this. Wait until you see it. Ripple.it. So this website gives you like so many coding opportunities. So my ripples, and then let's look about this one. So if you want me to copy the code in the chat, please tell me. And yeah, this is the code. So you import turtle.bg color, and another set of things. You press it here and then Ctrl V. So would that work? Would that work? Would it not? Would it not? Wait. Just wait. Maybe it's just because of this. Okay. So we didn't call on the TUT. Okay, so that's a problem. Tab. Tab. No, not this tab. This tab and this tab. So if you want to know, I still have something called a Minecraft videos, like from part 1 to part 10 I would do. And now let's look to came into TUT, and this. Would it do it now? No, it would not. So it is an unexpected indent. So what if we do that? And then say TUT. Will it work now? Will it work now? Okay, so we need to delete game 1 and then new, renew this, and then maybe it would work. So we need to hope that though. So for some reason, so this didn't work. But what if I do this? Oh, so I didn't import turtle. And then we need to do this. Yep. Oh, it's too fast. Speed 0. Why is it doing that? Why? Is this something wrong? So it's nothing wrong. I tried it before, so it does like so complex shapes, like 200 circles. So I think it needs a loop. So I will talk about loops in the next episode. So this is the episode now, and now it ends. And then if you haven't learned about functions, please tell me why and the reason, and I will tell you in the next episode. Bye.